Welcome back to my practicing session. Today I go out for some work and Mr. Mehdi is with me. Hi.
Hi.
So now we can practice some English about some structure
Today Bazar.
today.
Bazar cost.
Likely to, forbidden to, supposed to, about to, and yet to. These types of format I will use, and I will give some example. At first, I want to give example about to. Today is Ramadan, so you can use I am about to drink water, but I am fasting. Second, I am about to speak through. I am about to fall down. I am about to die. And second, likely to. I am likely to go there. He is likely to come in my house at the time of iftar. And I am likely to go Dhaka. Dhaka. And about forbidden to. You can use forbidden to when anybody use lot of Facebook. I am forbidden to watch Facebook. You are forbidden to watch my touch my mobile. You can say you are forbidden to touch my mobile. You can forbidden to go to field in in uh, in sun, and you can say likely to, about to, forbidden to, and supposed to. Supposed to means anybody can do. They give some promise. So I am supposed to come. I am supposed to come. There's some commitment. I was supposed to go there. I was supposed to meet after noon. I will pay. I will pay. I will. I was. I am. I will pay tomorrow. So I will. I was supposed to keep keep what. So we can use likely to, forbidden to, uh, and yet to, about to, yet to. I am yet to go there. I am yet to, and I am yet to go there. Uh, So you can use this structure in your daily conversations. Mary, how are you?
I'm fine. And
May
you?
I am also fine. And where have you gone?
I go to market buy some vegetables and fruits.
Uh, have you finished your work? Have you finished your work?
I have finished my work 1 hour.
1 hour.
And I will go to office.
When will you go back your home?
I go back my home at 3:30 p.m.
And when will come in office tomorrow?
I will come to office 6 a.m.
Because Ramadan time.
Today is my mother's duty, so I come to office early in the morning because I will go to market
Okay.
buy some fruits and vegetables for Ramadan.
Okay. Are you happy in your job?
Of course, why not?
And are you happy in your family life?
Uh, I am happy for family. They are all time help for prepare the Ramadan fruits items and all time prayer for me. So I will happy of my family.
Thank you very much for giving answers of question. Today I want to finish my lesson. Inshallah, tomorrow I will uh, make some video and I will try to discuss on any topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum.